Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Jan Sewing Solutions. Today I'm going to show you a very nicely fitted blouse that I've made to go with a lenga and this very vibrant parrot green dupatta. Now the blouse came, the lenga came as partly stitched, but it wasn't the right size, so we had to cut it right down to size, fix it, and then cut the blouse and make it to blend in with the skirt and the dupatta. Now there was no contrasting color given in the blouse, so what we did was matched up some peach color, the pinky peach color lace to go as an insert, because there was a massive patch of plain fabric. Generally on these blouses it's very wide necks, but unfortunately my customer couldn't wear this wide neck, so what I've done is I've interlined it, I've done dory and piping around the edges, and then at the front as well the neck is too deep for her, so I've just slightly patched it up with the contrasting, fitted it all out, put a zip in on the side so that you see, because it's quite fitted, it would be very difficult to get on and off. And then the other thing with these fabrics is they're quite irritating, so what I've done is I've lined it all with the plain fabric just to make it so that it's comfortable. The last thing you want, I was trying to emphasize this, that when you make garments like this, make sure that you think of the comfort first. So if you want to learn how to make a blouse like this, very nicely fitted, very piping and the works, then there is a tutorial available. Just log on to my website and it's quite easy to gain membership, and to, even if you were to make a single outfit like this, your £10 a month subscription will be sufficient to teach you this skill for life. So that's really I often get viewers saying or criticizing that, I'm doing this or that. What I'm trying to do is give people skills that will remain with them. So for the small amount of money that we're charging for the website, these skills will hopefully remain with you for the duration of your life, and skills that you can very, very easily pass on to your children. So often we buy outfits like this. Unfortunately, they're not stitched, because these type of outfits are sold to cater for the vast majority. When a garment is pre-made, then it's made for a specific customer and it has to fit that specific customer. When it's unstitched or partly stitched, then the option is to sell to far more of an audience. So a lot of the retailers are opting for that option, so that there's more variety available and people can choose and then go on to sew it. In a way, it saves the manufacturers a lot of headache, because a garment that is semi-stitched is far more adaptable to far more people than a ready-made, because a ready-made will fit a specific size. So, but then with that, obviously there is the downfall of you need the skills to actually make them the way that ready-mades are made. Now ready-mades, they're made specific to sizes, and normally when companies make them, they cater for all these little bits and bats, because when the customer is buying, buying a finished garment with the partly stitched, they can get away with selling far less. So with like instances like this, the customer wouldn't notice things like the massive overlap on the back neck part. Most likely, if this was sold as a ready-made, then this would have been the neckline and it would have been that wide, and then the problem would have been to cover it with a piece of fabric, because most Muslim clientele will not be able to wear garments like that. So anyway, that's a bit of advice for you. That's the latest addition to the website. I shall hopefully see you again soon with a sari blouse that is also for the same client, and it's going to be very similar. So we're going to go around making this sari in hopefully in the same size.